Start coding. You all need to stop me if you need help with something. Okay. Did I make a new cargo? Yeah, okay, there it is. cd molt 35 nvim source main. Okay. If we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5. Okay, so I need to create a loop. Why am I deleting words at a time? Okay. So I'm going to create function main. Oh, it's going to have some probably println in it at some point, and we're probably going to print something called x. I probably need an int called x. Is that how Rust works? Variable declaration Rust. Wait, no. What do I want? Rust book. There it is. Okay. This is based on the Rust book exercises. Programming a guessing game, right? Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I am going to create a mutable sum, which is going to be initially equal to 0. Okay? Hilbert's, wait, no, those are Hilbert's problems. Those are unsolvable. Okay. Multiples of 3 or 5. Okay, I need to make a loop. How do we do loop? For loop Rust. There we go. Where is it? Okay. Oh, that's a while loop. That's probably fine. Okay. While. Nope. While. Let's see. Okay, I need a candidate. Okay. Let mutable current equals 0. Let's see. Did the example include natural numbers below 10? Okay. Is there a mathematician in here? 0 a natural number?
No.
Well, yes, but it doesn't matter here.
Yeah, it doesn't matter here because I'm adding 0 to it. All right, so we get to start at 1. So we're going to start at 1. Okay.
It's like a debate whether 0 is a natural number or not, but everyone who's right says that it's not. So.
Oh, yes. Right. Okay, that makes perfect sense to me. Well, so, okay, below 1,000. Okay, and they excluded 10 when 10 was it. So, well, cur less than 10,000. Okay. Loop expressions. Okay, so we're going to include that in curly brackets. Okay. Is everyone coding in Rust right now? Are there Rust programmers in this class? What are you all doing? Follow along. Do you have a phone instead of a computer?
What?
Are you coding on your phone?
Yeah. Exactly.
That's so weird. Does it work?
Yep.
Are you lying? Does everyone who's correct say that you're lying and it's a debate with people on both sides?
I'm not that good at English. I don't know what you're asking me.
That's a good answer. Okay. Okay, so we're adding up to 1,000, right? Okay. So if current percent, was it 3 and 5? 3 and 5. Do we think is that or? Logical or Rust? I knew a lot of Rust a week ago, and I've been writing a lot of Python, okay? And not by choice. Logical or. Short-circuiting logical or? Yeah, that's probably fine. Or cur percent 5 sum plus equals cur. This has to be in these brackets. Okay. Cargo run. Okay. Expected bool found integer. Okay, so I should turn those things into. Okay. So guess this is not how you print things. I think I have to do like this. Is that what it said to do? How do you print? I'm just going to copy this. To copy things from my terminal, I think I have to use Control-Shift-C. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to use O to enter a new line. Oh, no, I did it in the wrong place. Okay. Control-Shift-V. I'm going to go back to the beginning of that line and indent. Going to save that. These had to be booleans. That's easy. Just check to see if it equals 0. That was logically incorrect anyways. Cargo run. Remove this mute. Wait, cur doesn't update. Oh, it's an infinite loop. Okay, all right, no problem. Any infinite loop appreciators in chat? Or class, sorry. It's not chat. I did not say chat. For the record, I heard that, Shovik. Okay. Do we think that's in Rust? Okay. Okay, apparently it's that much. Now, what do we do? Okay, so what you're supposed to do when you write a Rust program is you're supposed to verify its correctness by writing the program in another language. Now, that language is supposed to be lean. Have any of you heard of lean? Teo, what would you say lean is?
What?
Oh, I thought you nodded. Do you know what lean is? Okay. It's like this formal methods theorem proving language, I think. Anyways, I don't know it, and this class isn't in lean. But I know another language that is used to write mathematical proofs, and I love it very much, and that language is Python. Right? So we're going to write a competing solution in Python and see if the answer is correct, okay? So what did I do? Well, let's just cat source main. Wait, why don't I just save that and edit it into Python? Is that not the most reasonable way to check this result? Okay, so in Python, I don't need this. I don't need that. Is that a Python loop? Is that fine? Wait, is this just Python already? Is there only one programming language? You all would tell me if there were two programming languages, right?
You'll need to.
Is this not it? Is that fake?
Need the keyword or instead of symbols.
Ah, cringe. And I'm allowed to leave the semicolons, right? That doesn't hurt anyone? Okay. Is that what I got from cargo run? Okay, and then what I should do is I should actually compare those things. So what I should do is I should say, I should do cargo. Wait, what happens if I pipe cargo run? Okay, so I can save the result from cargo run. I can python3 test.py and save that as file, what's the next file after file? I think I increment the I to a j, so it's shile. And then I diff file and shile. And if I get no diff back, it's correct. So I can write my own testing script, which is going to be diff, and I pipe into that cargo run, and then also python3 test.py. And if I see nothing there, then I'm correct. And if this is wrong, which we can make it wrong by editing test.py. Wait, did I create T? Okay. And then test.py. We can make this wrong by printing 2 times sum. And then we will see a result with diff. Okay, right. So we've verified that we can do one of the Euler problems, right? And we also checked our answer. You're all doing this, right? Are you for real? This is very suspicious class behavior. I feel like I'm being messed with. What are you doing?
I'm helping him set up.
Is that true? That's what you're supposed to be doing. Good job. Are the rest of you doing that? Okay. I'm going to keep doing these. Should I be doing this? Okay. We have to fix test.py, no problem. And I think the other thing I want to do is I want to pipe cargo runs error messaging to dev null. There we go. So that's how I'm going to do project Euler problems. Does someone have a particular problem we should look at that might be more fun? Okay. Even Fibonacci numbers, not only the non-Fibonacci numbers, but even the Fibonacci numbers, right? Doesn't that make sense? Okay. So each new term in the Fibonacci sequence is, well, okay, I think we know what the Fibonacci numbers are. By considering the terms in the Fibonacci sequence whose values do not exceed 4 million, find the sum of the even-valued terms. I feel like that's going to be conspicuously similar to what we just did. So probably what I should do is I should keep this existing code base, but I should maintain it as a branch in my GitHub repository. And then I should create a new branch that solves the new problem because they're both going to be loops over numbers. So let's, how do I create a GitHub branch? Or not GitHub, Git. We're just doing Git, we're local. Okay. Make a new Git branch. Okay. I'm going to switch branches. Okay. Let's git checkout b even fib. Oop. Let's git checkout. Not a repository. Oh, wait, that makes sense. cd molt. Okay, I just did something exciting there that I'm worried passed by all of you. I cd'd into a cargo new folder, and I was able to use git commands without setting up any other git. This is a big deal. This means cargo new is configuring a git repository locally on your machine without your consent or knowledge. And this might come up in a later lecture because I found it very annoying. But what this does mean is that when I create a new cargo project, everything is already under version control, and I can save and commit my changes without even having to set anything up on GitHub. This might be really cool. I've done that right now. I've created a new branch called evenfib. What this means is that I'm going to be able to make edits to my files without changing my original solution to molt35. So I'm going to try and do that, and we're going to see if we can pull that off successfully. Okay, so I'm going to nvim source.main. Source main. Okay. What am I supposed to be doing? I need the Fibonacci numbers. I'm going to sum them. Okay, well, current is less than 4 million. Is that 4 million? I think it is. And then I need a current, and I also need a previous. Okay. I need to check to see if current is even. What did I type? Okay, well, current. Well, current is equal to, current %2 is equal to 0. Sum plus equals current. And then, can I do multiple assignment in this language? Multiple assignment Rust. Okay, cool. So, in order to compute the next Fibonacci value, I need to create a temporary value, which is equal to current plus previous. I need to set previous to equal current, and then I need to set current to equal temp. I think that's all I have to do, right? I bet that's correct. Cargo run. That seems like a pretty big number. Is that how big it should be? That's slightly over 4 million. That makes sense, I think. Okay. And then I'm going to cat that. I think I just want to translate that directly to Python as well, right? So we'll do that into test.py and vim test.py. Don't need that. Sum, delete, x, nope, while, current less than, okay. These don't have brackets because Python has white space for some reason. Sum plus equals current. I can do multiple assignment in Python, so I can say current previous equals current plus previous current. And I think I can delete these remaining lines. I can print the sum. Okay, that's the same value, is it? Okay. And the way I check to see if it's the same value is I did diff, subprocess substitution, cargo, run, and I capture the errors, the standard error, which is in 2, to dev null. And then I also subprocess substitute python 3 test.py. And if these answers are identical, I consider it correct. Doesn't it seem like the sum of the even Fibonacci numbers under 4 million should be much larger than 4 million? Have any of you done this? What do you think? I'm right?
Yeah.
I mean,
You do?
technically, yeah, because
Like math. Thank you. All right. All right. Well, I should probably commit this. I sure think this is right. Incorrect spelling of right. But I don't know how numbers work. That's false, that's a lie. I know how numbers work. XD. Okay. Cool. Let's check our Git status. Okay. Oh, I wasn't tracking test.py, that's sad. Git add source main git add test.py. Okay. Git status. Okay. I am on branch even fib. Git commit. Saving test and main. Okay. What am I doing? That should be -m. Okay, git status. Saved those. The other things are probably fine. Okay, and let's go back to git branch, or let's check out main. Master. Uh-oh. Maybe I deleted that other stuff. That's okay, we'll go on to the next one. Let's do problem 3. Do you all have Linux set up yet? Is anyone stuck on setting up Linux? I was sure someone was going to get stuck on setting up Linux. Have you finished the lab yet? Okay. No? Do you need help with anything, Derek?
what?
Do you need help with anything?
Bother someone later.
Oh my gosh, the point of class today is to not do that.
Okay.
I'm going to walk around and make sure you're all doing stuff, okay? I'm getting suspicious. Okay. Shabik, what are you doing?
Thank you.
I'm not going to take it.
really complicated.
Yes, I saw your name on the wrong front. Like,
That's not the right date. That's fine.
That's when better. Yes, that's something like this.
but just the seven. Were you able to run Rustup and do the hello world and all that stuff?
They're a Gmail user.
Okay, make sure you run Rustup.
Where do I sign?
Yep.
Where do I sign that? Is that
The usual.
Yes. Do that. So it'll be running Rustup, creating a Markdown file, creating a repository, and sharing. Does that make sense?
I made a repository.
I think we did. Just think about that.
And then and then I wrote something that you did.
Okay, well that,
I'm
is useful, I guess.
I'm so confused.
Oh, okay, so the way to not be
Yes.
is to take a problem. Another problem.
That sounds a little bit.
As a rule, you know programming language typically that's what already and I didn't actually realize I've done this before where I've created a language and then 10 minutes passing and actually do that.
I never had a smaller laptop that much.
But
Make
make sure you have Rust running on your system, or make sure you check your rules that you get. Make sure you do Rust.
You can just like hold it like this.
Something like go back home after 11 p.m. and get like food back and just have it free. And then it's like
I think it's like a cargo thing.
Just like hold it like this all day. Or like put it on the dollar.
oh, like a roll.
Yeah, I'm trying to set up the local repository, and I'm in a key and everything, and it just keeps giving me permission denied. And I went through the whole like, hey, you getting this error? Go on this page, and went through everything, and nothing.
Okay, you generate that sensation.
Yes.
I asked him.
Yeah. So I'll show you what I did. So I did. Pull up. I already did all this stuff. I already have them and everything set up.
When is it?
It's Tuesday, Thursday's the first. That's this thing. It was this one. And I just pressed enter here. Is that enter?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Cool. And then I enter the password. And then I get this. And that's what I want, right? And so I put this guy in and it didn't give permission.
That makes up for
Well,
minimum
error message. It's not the actual error message. That's just
whatever key you get.
it's just a pattern error message.
Because there's like GitHub and it's not anything to you right now.
Okay.
Let me see what happens when I do SSH to GitHub.
I don't remember which one that is. Whoever.
Oh,
Ow.
Just like authenticating with this.
I had that
Just
really-
connected to GitHub.
I don't know, whatever.
Yeah, is it github.com?
Yeah, I'm having the same, was it with the GitHub where it was giving you the SSH key that's really long?
Yeah.
Mhm.
I remember what I did, it was like, you have to put like dot, I remember I just looked it up and it was like, you put like dot MD or something at the end of the
Oh, just read the public key.
Oh, yeah, yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Mhm.
So cd do.ssh and do ls and do cat. That's
Ooh, I'm gonna stop